tulad tayo mag-control. Ayun, look at this. That it's large and cars is more here and is raining super hard now. It's not unless yet is out. It's out yung that ares. Hindi nangyari dito sa Pilipinas mga warning. Yung gusto nyo kitaan ulit doon sa TV, sabihin mo lang doon sa may radio. Bye!